All right, everybody, we've found our first two rows that are going to be used here. So let's keep going. Let's check out what happens next. We've got our piano starting and our voice line going, but then we got to the piano part. The voice is lasting all the way till G sharp with their P7. Let's figure out what the piano is doing. So we ended on this G natural here for the RI7 at the beginning. So we would think then, let's go to the next note and figure out what the piano has next. And we've got an E natural, which is 4. So we would have, where's my mouse? We'd have 4, 3, 6. 4, 3, 6. So again, like we've been doing, 4, 3, 6. Let's go check out our matrix and see if we can find a 4, 3, 6 in the matrix. Here it is. Here's 4. Nope, that's 4, 1, 0. Nope. We want 4, 3, 6. Here's 4, 7, 8. Nope, that's no good. Here's a 4, 3. No, 4, 5, 8. We want 4, 3, 6. Our last hope is an RI. Here's 4, 3. Oh, crap, it's 4, 3, 0. Oh, no. That means 4, 3, 6 isn't actually the start of that row. So let's go back to the music. We said that 4, 3, 6. 4, 3, 6. That's got to be what we're looking for. But what we didn't account for is that, remember, this is not a rule book type way to compose. It's a method for giving you all of the material that you could want. Nothing says that there can't be some little sneakiness. And so what we're going to see here, this goes into sort of the real organizational feature behind the piece. If we look, 4, 3, 6 isn't the beginning of a row. But what about this G natural? That's the starting of this musical idea, right? Even though the row ends here, clearly, look, the piano rested for a beat. This is the beginning of the musical idea, right? So that G natural, that's 7. We've got 7, 4, 3, 6. 7, 4, 3, 6. Oh, we've heard that before. That was the same thing that the voice started with. 7, 4, 3, 6. I think the 6 might be hidden by my picture here. But look, the piano here is doing the same thing at the same time as the voice. It's harmonizing the voice's melody with itself. And to do it, it does it in a very clever way. It shares this G natural. It shares the note 7. And this is another P7 right here. So the voice is going 7, 4, 3, 6. And look at the piano. It's doing a nice 7, 4, 3, 6. Wow, that's so cool. And it does it because the note G, the note 7, is being shared as the end of the RI7 row and the beginning of the P7 row. That's a really cool thing that often happens in these, and it's a nice window into the guiding organizational principle there, sharing the note 7. Cool. All right, so we know that P7 rows, we could go back to the matrix if we wanted to. P7 rows, starting here, go all the way to the note 8. So let's see if we can find where that piano line ends. Starts here on 7. If we go, can we find the note 8? Yes, we can. It's right there. That's the end of that P7 row. So, going onwards, let's see what the next row in the piano is. Okay, we've got this nice F sharp here right at the beginning. Nice staccato high F sharp. Okay, cool. Uh-oh. Well, now we've done it. When we were at the beginning, we skipped over the chord because it looked scary and we could figure out the row right before it. But here, it's a little bit unavoidable. We can't figure out what row this is just by taking the F sharp. So what we've got to ask ourselves is, do we think that there's a written or sort of a rule about what order these chord tones are voiced in, right? Here's the chord. It's got an E flat, D, F, E natural. Really ripe chord. It's beautiful. Do we think that there's a rule in how that's employed? No, not at all. This is giving an opportunity for the composer to make musical choices on how they want to voice these chords. So there's nothing that says, okay, 6 is the first note of the row, this E flat must be the next one. Absolutely not. But we've got some options here. So we've got, let's look right up at the top, for instance, see if one of these two notes is the next one. We've got 6, we've got 5, we've got 6, we've got 4. Let's go to the matrix and see if there's a 6-5 beginning or a 6-4 beginning. Here's 6-3, nope. 6-9, nope. Here's 6-7, nope. Ooh, 6-5, that was one of ours. 6-5-2-4. Let's see if there's 6-5-2-4 in this chord here. 6-5-2-4. Here's our 6. 6. Ooh, 5, 2, 4. And what we see is that 6-5-2-4. This is not the first time we've heard that in this piece. 6-5-2-4. So this ends up being another RI7 row. And so the thing you have to look out for is these chords. They look like they're scary or whatever, but it's a chance for the composer to voice the chord in the way that they want to. It doesn't dictate how things are going to be. So we've got this open voicing on a chord, and we had this shared note. Those are two really important principles for how rows are used in a piece. We're going to look at another important principle next.